Hey everyone, welcome back to some more Daily Radio Nonograms. We are back at my usual playing time at this point. It is midnight, May 7. Of course, it's like I'm reading all of a script. Of course, we will be doing the May 6 nonogram. So, let's hope it goes well because um, yesterday's hologram didn't go too smoothly. I think it was just me making a lot of mistakes, really. And look at this start right here. Look at the start we have right here. Honestly, this is looking crazy good. Not gonna lie. So, let's hope I will be able to lock the hell in because this looks like a crazy good start. Alright, so let's begin. I'm gonna tap in starting now. 632, almost done already. Uh-huh. Um this is a 4, so that's 6, and then 8. That's 1. This is that's a 5, and then no, that's a 4. So 6, and then 8, and then 2 2 1, and then 4 1. Very nice. Nothing here. This is gonna be a 4. 6 3 2 is done. Yep. Now let's go somewhere else. 4 1 10. That's gonna be minus 8. 8 9 1. It's gonna be minus 5. So 5 2, and then 6 6 7, and then 9. Nothing there. Okay. What now? 1 4. With whenever there's a crazy good start, a lot of the work goes into making sure that the flame doesn't die out, you know. I get to keep my momentum. So it's a challenge, but yeah, gotta do it. So let's hope that these leads don't dry up so fast. 1 7 is right there, and then 10. Right? So that's gonna be a minus 3. Nothing there. Uh-huh. Now what? 4, 8, 5, 1, minus 4. Yeah. That's gonna be all of our 4s right there. Yeah. Yeah, good. So 10, and then that's an 8, that's 3. That's 3. This is a 12. 1, 4, 4, 4. 6, 3, 4, 1, 3. That's 12. That's 3. That's 5. That's 1. Then 8. Wait. Lock this. Yeah, because that's a. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, that's very nice. Because that's 2. That's 2. Nothing there. That's 8. That's 8. 4, 4, 4. Nothing here. Nothing here. So extend this 10 over there. That's gonna be minus 4. Yeah. And then we put the 5 there, minus 3. And we can put the 4 here. Nice. Very nice. Yep. That's 3. This minus 9. Nothing here. We can extend this 7. Now what? 3 1 4 2. This is definitely the 4. No other space for it. And then what? Come on, let's keep it rolling. 3 4 3 6. No, that doesn't work. What about this? 2 8. It's minus 3. It's 4. Nothing here. 6. Nothing here. What about 9, 1? No, it doesn't help. 1, 1, 5, and then 4. It doesn't help either. Yikes. Okay. Am I hitting a wall? 2, 5, 1. No. That doesn't make sense. What now? Oh, we can block this off actually. And then put a 5 over there. Now this is a 7. And now that's a 4. That's 7. That's nothing. 7. 1, 1, 1. It's 5. And then nothing here. And that's a 9. That's a 3. Yeah. Nothing here. Well now, nothing here, that's a 2. This is gonna be the 10, that's a 2, that's a 6. Nothing here, that's 5. 4, 5, 4 complete. Nothing, nothing. So 3, 1, 4, 2. And 4, 1, 10. Nice, right? Yeah. Yeah, that works out. Now what? Now what? Oh, it is a 9. Not very helpful though. 4, 4, 7, 4 minus 2. Again, not very helpful. This is a 4. This is a 4. Aside from that, I don't really know. Oh wait, 3 and then 4. 5 doesn't fit. Yes, 5 doesn't fit. So you can put that here. The minus 2. So that's gonna be a 4. That's 11. This is 5. Yes. Yeah. Cool. Now this is a 3. And then this is a 3. And then this is a 3. And then what? Okay, limit this here, nothing there. And then 4, no, that's not helpful. Maybe we can put 1, 2? I don't know, no way. 1, 3, 5, 2, 3, I bet that gets us somewhere. Yes. So this is the 3, but we don't know what that is. Tricky. Does it fit if I... No. Don't. Come on. What now? 3, 4, 1. And then 3 and a 1. So minus 2. Right? Yeah, wait. Does that make sense? So 3, 4. We can't guarantee that the 1 is here. But we can't guarantee that it's here either. So let's put 3 and a 1. So that's minus 2. Remove that. And that's going to be all the 4s accounted for. Okay. That does help. Maybe. I hope. Does it? I don't know. This is a 5. And that's a 6. 1, 5. Right there. 1, 2, 2. This is the 2. So this is another 2. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. And then 3 and 5 minus 2. 5, 4, 3. It's very nice. I'm glad. 2, 1, 4, and then 4, 3. No, not much to do with there. This is a 6. That can be very nice. Because 5, 3, 3, 3. Yeah? Yeah. Nice. 3 and then 4. Can we extend this? No, we can cut it off. So that's 5. 1, 2, 2, 3. 2, 3, nothing there, that's 4. 1, 2, 1, that's a 3, that's a 3. So this is the 4, and we cut it off. That's 3. Nothing here, that's 3, 4, 5. Can we get a 6? Nope. 2, 3, and then 4, 3. Nice. Yes, this makes sense. I'm being good at the game. There's a 5, 4 fit down here. No. I mean, yes, sorry. Nothing here. What about a 5 over there? Nope. Uh-oh. Wait, where did this come from? Where did that come from? What the hell is this? When did I put that here? What? That shouldn't be right. I don't even remember placing that down. That's clearly not right though. When did I do that? 3, 4, right? What happened? I don't know what happened there. That's clearly not right though. I don't know why I put that down. What now? What now? Maybe we can extend this 1, 2, 2, 3, and 5. No. No, we can't. What do we do now? What happens now? Maybe we can extend this to 3? No, we can't. So what happens now? 1, 4, no. Huh. Oh, here we go. Nothing there. That's a 6. So nothing here. Okay, that's all we can get. That's all the information we can get. So I'm gonna need another. I'm gonna need some more help. Am I just not looking hard enough? Oh, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Does that help? Does it help? No, not really. Nothing there. Now can we extend the 5? No. Nothing here. 7, 2, 1, 4. No, nothing we can get out of that. Hmm. Hmm. There's 4, 1, 3. Aha! There we go. 4, 1, 3 no longer fits down there. So this is the 4. Yes. So nothing there. Aside from that, what though? Okay, I'm running into dead ends. Hmm. Um. Huh. What can I do? One, two, two, 3, 5, 5. Can't extend that. The 3 is either here or here. And then the 5 is either here or here. What can we do? I'm a little stuck. Hmm. 4, 3, 5. Am I gonna have to make a guess? No way, right? They started off so well. No way I'm gonna have to make a guess. But there's not much I can do. I don't think there is. I'm scanning all of the columns. 7. It might be time to make a guess, cause I'm not seeing anything else. Okay, I'm gonna guess that. Go ahead and make a save. Okay, I'm gonna guess that the 5 is up here, right up there. Okay, and if we run into any contradictions, then we know that it's not here. Yeah, makes sense. 3, 1, 4, 2, and then 2, 3. It's an 8. That's gonna be the 4. And now, I'm stuck again. Seriously? Whoa, no way. 1, 5, no. Really? No, I'm not. What am I saying? 2, 8. So 1, 2, 2 should be right there. And then that's a 3. That's a 5. That's a 3. And then 1, 2, 2. Nice. Now. Now what? Huh. Now what? Three, 5. Oh, there's a 1. I don't think I had to guess. I just didn't see that. I don't think I had to guess at all, actually. 1, 5, 2, 1. Or maybe I did. I'm stuck again. Or maybe I'm not? Did I don't know. It's so weird, dude. It's 2, and then that's 3, and then that's 3, and that's 5, and that's 2. This is 2, 4, 12, 5, right? Yeah, this should make sense. 3. Oh! Did we run into a contradiction? I think we did. Because this is a 3, but there's no space for the 2. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to my save point, and now, I actually didn't notice this earlier, but I think we completely avoid making a guess, because now we know that that's a 2. Yes? So this is a 2, and there's a 3, there's a 4, and that's a 5. Or, shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I'm wrong somewhere else. Really? That's a 2. Let's try to do this first. Because that's a 5, and this is a 2. Right? That has to be the 3. And this has to be the 3. And this is a 2. This is also a 2. Right? Come on, don't tell me I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Somewhere. Shit. Oh crap. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad actually. I don't know where I went wrong. Oh no. I'm gonna make the controversial move of ignoring that right now. We still have our save file to go back on, but right now I'm just gonna hope that doesn't cascade into like an unsolvable thing, which I know it's not the right thing to do. It's definitely not. Yeah, see, this is a 12 now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I'm wrong. Oh no. That's bad. I don't know where I went wrong. If I remove all of this and try and do it again, will it fix it? I'm just gonna try because, oh man, I don't know. I'll retry that, okay? Because yikes, there's already a lot of progress. So if I like reset now, that's like painful. 4, and that's an 8, 3, 7, 1, 8, 1, nothing, 2, 2, 2. Wait, let me try. 8, 6, 6, minus 1 to everything. That's 1, and then 21, 2, 6, 8, 1, 2, Oh shit. 1, 2. Come on, not this late. That's gonna be the 6. And then this is a 5. That's a 4. Yeah? So this is 2, 2, 1. Nothing there. Yeah. This is a 3. 6, 6, 8. Nothing there. That's a 6. That's a 4. That's a 5. Holy yikes! I don't know where I went wrong. -7. It's -7. And then 11, 1, 4. That's gonna be -7 again. Yeah. So that's 2. This is 8. 5. 2. Okay. The problem with doing this thing is just like blindly resetting and hoping for the best, really. Like hoping that you catch the problem. And that's a gamble, bro. That's a chance. Oh no, this is a 3, right? I think we're just back where we started. Oh dear. This is bad. Nothing there. This is a 3. So the question is that 1 or 2? Actually, if it is a 1, or no, either way, this wouldn't be anything. So that's a 5. That's a 3. So that's 1, 2, 2. I think that should be correct. I think that should be the right way to handle that. 1, 3, 5, and then 2, 3. Now it's -1. Okay. Shit. Come on. Nothing here. This is a 3. That's a 5. That's a 2. 2, 1, 3, 1. I hope that's right. That looks like a big guess. That looks like a big guess. Oh damn. Oh damn. I hope that's correct. Oh no. 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 should be complete. And then 3. Oh crap. Oh crap. 4. And then 2. So this is a 1. We can extend this 12. No, we can't. This is gonna be the 4, 4, 4. This is a 1. Yes. This is 1, 3, 5, 2, 3. Did we just do it? Are we out of the woods? It's 4. And then nothing there. This is gonna be a 3. Yeah. Yeah. This is 5, 4, 3 done. Now 5, 4 still fits there. Can't do anything about that. But that gives me a little bit of hope. If we're like truly out of it, that kind of gives me hope. You know? I feel like we sorted it out. I hope. I really hope. So I don't want to do that no more. 3, 4. Nothing here. This is gonna be the 4. No, we can't extend that. No. Hmm. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1. Nope. 5. Nope. What about this? 4, 4, 7. Yes, 4, 4, 7. Minus 1 on both. This is gonna be the only 2. And this is gonna be the 3. Yeah. Yes, so this is the 3. Right? That's good, I think. I think I think we're doing it. I really don't wanna like jinx myself, but we might be doing it, chat. We might actually be doing it. If this is like correct, dude, I saved it so well. I actually saved it. I bailed myself out of that one. Let's not early celebrate. Let's not celebrate early, sorry. It's too nothing here. This should be the 3, right? There's no way that's not the 3. Yeah. Yeah. That's a 4. That's a 3. And then this should be a 4. Yes, that fits perfectly. Yes. Yes. Okay. Then this is the 4. Oh no. No. It's okay. That's a 5. Yes. My heart. This has to be the 3. And that's a 6. Nothing here. We can extend. No, we can't extend anything. But this is the 2. So there's the 4. This is the 1. 1, 3. That's 2. It's 2. 4. 4. 6, 4, 2 is done. 6, 2, 2 is done. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1. That's gonna be the 3. 5, 3, 1. And then almost there. Come on, we're right there. 4. And 7, 4. And last 1. No? Shit. Not done? Not good? Oh no. What did I miss? Okay, to start counting. 8, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, 3, here. What? 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 Fuck. 1, 3, 5, 2, 3. Yeah? 12, 1, 4, 1. Wait, what did I see? Wait, what? Am I tripping? 1, 3, 5, and then 2, 3. 12, 1, 4, 1. 6, 3, 5, 1. 6, 3, 3, 3. 5, 3, 3, 3, 6. 2, 3, 4, 3, 6. 2, that should be an 8, right? 2, 8. 1, 5, 2, 1, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. 4, 4, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 5, 3, 1, 3, 4. Yes. 5, 3, 2. Yes. 6, 2, 2. 6, 1, 3, 3. 7, 2, 1, 4, 4. That's 9, 5, 4. No. No, it's there. That's a mistake. So it's not. What the fuck? 4 4 7 4 4 4 4 5 3 4 4 4 1 2 1 3 4 1 2 1 1 1. Yes, done. Oh my god, 3519. That took long. That, yeah, that mistake really fucked me up there. Well, I'm glad we got that over with. I'm glad I didn't have to like wake up early or something to finish this, or like reach, or I didn't have to retry it. So, thank you guys for watching. That was, man, that was rough. That was rough, but we got there. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Good night.